Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Shrakmal Birazali, S55744. I'm going to answer the first question, which is provide the normal value for the water quality parameter given. And the first one is water temperature. The normal value for water temperature is 0 to 30 degrees Celsius. And the second is pH. The normal pH for the river is 6.5 to 8.5 pH. And the third one is dissolved oxygen. The normal value for dissolved oxygen is 6.5 to 8.0 mg per liter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafizul bin Muhammad Shafi'i, S55374. Okay, today I will continue the expansion for the question 1. Okay, the question 1 is the normal value for the water quality parameter in the river ecosystem. Okay, the first parameter that I want to tell is about turbidity. Okay, the normal value for the turbidity in the river ecosystem is 10 NTU. Okay, NTU mean the neplometric turbidity unit. Okay, and the second parameter is the phosphate. Okay, the normal value for the phosphate in the river ecosystem is about 0.005 to 0.05 mg per liter. Okay, and then lastly is about fecal coliform. Okay, the normal value for the fecal coliform in the river ecosystem is about 1 to 9 CFU per 100 ml. Okay, if the fecal coliform higher than that will affect the organism that live in the ecosystem. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Faiz Hakimi bin Abdul Manaf. For question number 2, based on answer for question number 1, describe the condition of Sungai Mane. The condition of Sungai Mane, totally we can say slightly polluted with the higher fecal coliform and phosphate content depthful in the water. So the deterioration of dissolved oxygen is low, attribute to the increase of growth rate bacteria that contain that consume the organic matter that contained in the untreated waste that has been discharged into the river. Water temperature is normally warm and not cold, and we consider the water is clear and not cloudy anymore based on the turbidity unit less than 10 NTU, and the water is no acidic. Thank you.
Tuan Bushra Azahra binti Tuan Harizan, S5534C. So I'm going to define turbidity. Turbidity is a cloudiness of a fluid caused by largest number of individual particles that are generally invisible to the naked eye. Turbidity in open water may be caused by growth of phytoplankton. Human activities such as construction and agriculture can lead to high sediment level. In water bodies such as lakes, rivers and reservoirs, high turbidity level can reduce the amount of light reaching lower depth, which can inhibit growth of submerged aquatic plants and affect species which are dependent on them. High turbidity level also can affect the ability of fish gills to absorb dissolved oxygen.
Is commonly used to investigate the turbidity are turbidity meter, satiety, and turbidity tube.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everybody. I hope everybody has a very good day. My name is Adi Aminuddin bin Muhammad Mazuki, metric number S56825. So here I'm gonna answer the question number 4 in laboratory 3 and 4. The question is read, what are the other two physico-chemical factors that you think should be collected and why? So in the table we have factor which is water temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen turbidity, phosphate and fecal coliform. So the other two factors that I think should be collected is number 1 is heavy metal. So heavy metals are usually present in trace amount in natural water, but many of them are toxic even at very low concentration. Metals such as arsenic, lead, nickel, and other heavy metals are highly toxic, even in minor quantity. So, even if the quantity of this heavy metal found in a river is very toxic and can be poison to fish in the surrounding river. The second factor that should be declared is salinity. Salinity is the saltiness or amount of salt dissolved in a body water called saline water. Saline water, is it? So salinity is an important factor in determining many aspects of chemistry of natural water and biological processes within it, and it is a thermodynamic state variable that, along with temperature and pressure, physical characteristics like the density and heat capacity of the water. So the normal salinity in a fresh water is less than 1000 ppm. So if that amount go higher, if the amount go higher than 1000 ppm, the fish in the river cannot process the salinity. The kidney of the fish cannot process the high salinity. So if cannot be processed, it should be kidney failure for the fish and will lead to death. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Al-Faris bin Muhammad Johiri. My metric number is 54993. I am the editor of this video, and I hope that all of our answer is correct, because we had a discussion before we answer all of the question given. Okay, thanks for watching, doctor. Have a nice day, doctor.